Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. Hipcamp, the booking platform review and user experience. Links to Hipcamp and other helpful resources are available in the description below. Hipcamp stands out as a unique outdoor booking platform, connecting campers, glampers, and nature enthusiasts with private landowners who offer diverse camping, glamping, and RV experiences. It's the perfect solution for those seeking a more personalized and distinctive outdoor adventure compared to traditional campgrounds. Whether your ideal escape involves a rustic campsite, a luxurious glamping retreat complete with amenities, or simply a place to park your RV, Hipcamp simplifies the process of finding and booking your next outdoor getaway. One of Hipcamp's most compelling features is its extensive range of properties. From basic tent sites to fully equipped glamping accommodations featuring amenities like hot tubs, Wi-Fi, and cozy cabins, the platform caters to a wide variety of preferences. With listings in rural and off-the-beaten-path locations, Hipcamp is ideal for travelers looking to escape the crowds and commercialization often found at traditional campsites. The booking process on Hipcamp is designed for ease of use. Users can filter their search by experience type, desired amenities, and location, ensuring they find precisely what they're looking for. Hipcamp is particularly well-suited for outdoor enthusiasts who value flexibility and a more personal connection with their surroundings. By directly connecting campers with landowners, the platform facilitates the discovery of hidden gems and unique outdoor experiences you might not find on other booking sites. Furthermore, Hipcamp provides valuable resources such as reviews, photos, and detailed property descriptions, allowing you to make informed decisions and know exactly what to expect upon arrival. Perfect for families, solo travelers, large groups, and anyone who simply loves nature, Hipcamp offers a diverse array of options for those seeking outdoor immersion. However, it's important to note that for individuals who prefer the established facilities and structure of a fully developed, traditional campground, Hipcamp might not be the ideal fit. In conclusion, Hipcamp excels as a platform for those searching for unique outdoor experiences. It's an invaluable tool for adventurers and camping enthusiasts seeking something different. For more details and to begin your next adventure, check out the links provided in the description.